So yeah, like, I don't know, I was just talking about like, I mean, you know what I mean. It's a good lecture, but.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, hey guys. It's been a while. We're really glad to have you back.
Yeah, I think we owe you an explanation of why we've been absent for so long on our channel. So after the school year ended last year, we kind of took the summer off just to relax and chill a bit. But now that we're back at school, we've got things kind of figured out now. We're about a month and a half in, and we've adjusted to our new lives as apartment students.
Yeah, and well, now that we figured things out, we thought it would be appropriate that we took the time to show you guys our new setups, and I really think that you guys are gonna love it just as much as we do. So let's begin.
Let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is my setup here. As you can see, I've got this nice little table with some catch trays on it for excess water. And also a new addition from last year are these grow lights. I got these for my birthday. They're very pink, as you can tell. I just can't really see much, so I'll turn them off just to get a better view of things here. Alright guys, so here's a little bit more of a close-up of my setup. First thing I'll show you is this guy over here. This is a cutting from my main banana mint plant that I had outside at my home all summer. It unfortunately isn't doing so well indoors because of the lack of sunlight. My window here, just behind the camera, only receives about an hour or two of direct sunlight a day, which is not ideal for these plants. So it's suffering a little bit, but still has some okay leaves that I'm able to harvest and use for cooking and stuff. Next up here, I got a bunch of dragon fruit. These were a new project in summer. Here's some of my more prominent, better looking ones. They look kind of like cacti, because they are a species of cacti. So hopefully those things will keep going. They seem to be doing all right here. I have a few different pots full of them. I've got 2 lemons going right now. One of them, unfortunately, has been dying over the past couple of days. All the leaves have fallen off. Not sure what to do about that one. But my other one right here is actually thriving. It's got a nice dark green color and it's getting bigger every single day. So that's good to see. Over here I have an apple. One of the apples actually from last year out in the dorm room. It's also lost a lot of color in its leaves, but oh yeah, there's one right there. But it's still partially alive, so we're gonna keep it around. Let's see, and then last over here, I got my avocados. These guys I actually have put in water all the way back on April 27th. They were sitting in my basement all summer under the grow light, and they only cracked open at the end of August actually. So all this growth you can see on this one right here has been since August, and it's actually really sped up within just the last couple weeks. About 2 weeks ago, it was way down here only. So all of these leaves and the height on this thing is all a fairly new development. Unfortunately, the other one started going, it had a good root system, but it seems to have rotted out. Let's just look at the healthy root system to see what a nice root system should look like. Yeah, there you go. Nice long tap root. That's really good. That's what you're looking for right there.
Alright guys, and now we're over at my apartment, and we're gonna look at my setup. So, I've still got the same good old grow light. It does great. It really lights up the room. Let's dive right in to look at the plants, shall we? This right here is a real interesting one. This is actually an heirloom geranium plant. This has been in my family's for about 100 years. So there's copies of this plant in Ontario, Saskatchewan, and now Manitoba, which I'm happy to keep growing. It's looking great. It started off real small, so excited for that to get going. We have the development of my mint plant here. This is a series of cuttings I took over the summer from the main plant, and I've just replanted them, and I'm going to let them grow out into their own full plant. Down here, now that we're in apartment life, I'm growing some green onions, which are very useful for cooking, as Joel mentioned with the mint plant in his apartment. And likewise, we have some failures, such as this is a kiwi. It does not do well in the low light conditions it's currently in, to say the least. We have a couple succulents here that are doing moderately well. I don't pay too much attention to them. They're not really the focus. But as you see, we have lots and lots and lots of citrus plants, and they are all looking great, with a small exception of this plant here, which is having some leaf drop, but it's starting to recover, so that's promising. Another new addition you may notice over here is the lavender plant. This was a gift from me for my sister when she was on vacation, and so I'm really excited to try to grow this up, and I'm thinking I might try to split it into a couple different pots to try to get, you know, a little bit extra yield out of such a small plant. Oh, so as you can see, we're back at the books, which means that Dorm Room Gardener is back all year long. We're talking new content, new plants, and updates of your favorite series.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. This has been our first one back in our 3rd year of university here. Plenty more content coming your way, so keep tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.